Hi, welcome to Wisva Lighting. Today, I will continue my factory touring. Now let's start part 2, walking into the workshops. Today, I will start the workshop from COB workshops. Okay, and then I need to get myself equipped with the uniforms and the anti-static wraps. Okay, here we go. Now I just get myself equipped with the uniforms and the wraps. That's a must before we walk into the workshop. You know, it's always exciting and honored to introduce our COB workshop to all of you. Because you know, Wisva now is standing on top of the COB industry in China. Okay, let's start the workshop show. Now we are in the workshop of COB. We have 7 lines in all. Sorry, my colleagues is doing the meeting with work. And our current capacity is 500,000 meters per month. And now, you know, this is how made in Wisva or COB to the Chinese customer and also to the foreign customers. So the siren lines are very impressive and productive. This is the refrigerator for storing the tin case. The tin case need the temperature control environment. And this is dry plain cabinet for storing all the electrical components, registers, chips, and PCBs. And steel mesh, like a molding. Hey, very busy on these lines. This is the auto case brushing, complete auto mode. And this is these are the PCB preparation station. See, plate by plate, ready for being case for case brushing. And the first row is for resistor mounting. See, this is look at that one. That one is working now. That is the optical check for installation of resistor. The system is making sure all resistors mounted accurately as required. After the resistor row, these machines are all for chip installation. Again, this is the system to make sure. You see, this is the chip. How the chip is installed by the microscope monitor. Look, very, very efficient. I like this one. This is how Wisva, how the COB made in Wisva. Now with all the PCB is installed with all the electrical components, the automatic delivery system will bring the PCB with chips and registers into the reflow soldering. You know, it's kind of, a drying for me, that kind of function. You know, we have all the SOP for the operation, restore, luring, and maintenance record for this big machine for the team to follow up. Okay, now this is an online QC check. my colleagues are working on checking the light emitting. Light emitting okay. You see the lighting correctly. No dark spots. And if they found something different, they will use the microscope to make sure everything is installed, is mounted all right. Okay, when the electrical components mounted, and then went through the critical soldering in this online shop, there are all necessary relevant tests and checks. You see, now is the PCB with all these chips, very tiny. This is the registers, very, very small, just the size of the hair. Okay, then let me show you the gluing shop. This is the full auto phosphor mixer, very powerful. See. Now the glue is, making according to the relevant recipe based on the orders. Okay, when the phosphor is mixed, and then the glue will go to the machine. This one. Ready, PCB and chips registers ready. The gluing is on. Look. I like the color, just like clippings. Just kidding. And then when the gluing is finished, it goes through this small mini ripple soldering or preliminary way. After this, we will move to the next process. And then the product will go into these ovens for final drying. And this station, we will do the color temperature records, checks, and CRI, relevant technical specification records. This is the integrated sphere, and we use the computer system to record all test data to make sure all production, all orders are on track, are traceable for the records. Okay, now let's move to the assembly workshop. Let me show you around in the COB assembly workshop. Okay. In this workshop, they will assemble the rest of the work. First, they will make the PCB edge cutting, and then connection, and then with the help of auto soldering, and then they will do the wearing, cleaning, picking, and color comparison to make sure the light correctly required. Look, this station, my colleague is working on the temperature comparison to make sure the color light all right, and also to make sure no cheap feeding. After this process, the assembly work is done, and then now the other side, she belongs to the OQC. It's a part of the QC function. We normally make a drop test in a certain percentage. Also to make sure the same job, color comparison, lighting correct or not. This is nearly the final step in this workshop. When all process is done, they will start packaging. That's what we will see, downstairs. And because the layout of this workshop design, I have to, show you this mini shop for first piece inspection. For the first piece inspection, we do it for every single order. Whatever is a regular product or is a complete customized orders, we always do first piece inspection, no exception. Just to make sure all the technical specifications comply with all the requirements. Okay, so for the COB, walking to COB workshops, that's the end of it. Thank you for watching. Bye.